Mapunit, anak. Huwag yung libro.
Clarinet. Saxophone. Symphony.
Mapunit, anak.
Banjo. Guitar. Jazz drum.
Na?
Flute.
Na bakit?
Where is the uncle?
Asan sa uncle daw? Uncle. Asan yung tito?
Wrong. Where is the uncle?
Uncle. Saan si Tito Do? Tito Do. Tito Do. Tito Do. Ito. Uncle. 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 Pintas mo. Dito sa
You
mukha.
are excellent. Where is the father?
O, saan si ama? Father. 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 Saan father? Father. Saan si father? Ama. Asan yung ama? Saan? No. Pindot mo.
Great. Where is the mother?
Oh, mother. Asan si ina? Asan si ina? Mother. Teacher yan. Ito si mother. Oh, mother.
You are excellent. Where is the sister?
Oh, teacher. Oh, asan daw si teacher? Teacher. Teacher Debra. Asan si teacher Debra? Teacher? Asan? Asan si teacher? Teacher, ito.
Wrong. Where is the sister?
Ay, sister pala. Asan si Ate May? Sister. Sister. Sister, Ate May. Ito. Ay, ayaw mo na. Okay.
Where is the doctor?
Asan daw doktor? Alam mo, doktor. Asan doktor? Asan doktor? Wrong.
Wrong. Where is the doctor?
Asan doktor? Asan daw doktor dito? Ay, hindi alam.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where is the one?
Oh, one. Asan ang one? Oh, asan ang one? Asan? Dito, one. One. Naituro mo. Dahan-dahan. Mapunit, anak. Ah. Bye-bye.
How much what chop chop DYXWD? How much what chop?
Oh, ano yun? Oh, natanggal yung battery. Ayusin mo. Ganyan ba? Asan yung isa? Huwag mo na alisin. Oh. Okay. Oh, close mo na. Takpan mo na. Baliktad na ko. Baliktad na ko. Okay. Okay. Huwag mo kasing inaano.
Ito.
Oh, asan na?
Wala.
Ha?